Hey folks, this is Matthew with Riverponics. Gonna do a giveaway. This is the Hurricane 171 CFM inline exhaust fan. It's a 4-inch flexible duct that would attach to that. This is ideal for a grow tent. So I'll be giving this away for those who are interested. There's the details of it: 120 volts, amps 1, watts, weight, RPM, CFM. There you go. It's a really nice inline fan. Turn it on. Dramatize a little bit. See if I can't get a better shot. Here we go. Oh yeah, she puts out a lot of power, man. Definitely idea for a grow tent. Good luck.